All right, guys, welcome back. So the question right now is how to decrease the leading. Okay, so right now, if you look at my screen, you'll see that I have this sentence, hello, how are you? Hope you're having a great day. And I want to reduce it so that these are closer and there's more of a connection. So the way that you're going to do that is in my, with my layers panel selected, I'm going to making sure I'm on the proper layer. I'm going to click on the type tool. I'm going to select the type that I want to affect. Remember, select it to affect it. I just realized. Okay. Select the type that I want to affect, and I'm going to go and change my leading. So if I look at my properties panel over here to the right, you're going to see I have options for character. If I scroll down, you're going to see I have other options in here for like paragraph and things like that. What I'm trying to adjust is my leading. So I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. And down here I have options. I have the character name, the type. I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. I have other options for like the size. Well, over here to the right of that is leading. Notice how it's the A on top of the A, and then it has the arrow going vertical. What I can do is I can either put a number in here, or I could go to the drop down, or I can go right here at the slider and I can increase or decrease. So if I increase, notice that black bar that's moving down, I can decrease. Notice I'm gonna go all the way up here. And once I have it to where I think I want it, then I have decreased my leading. So hopefully that helps you. Another thing too, if you want to change the spacing in between, then you also have that option in here as well. If you go down, down right here, we have, here we go, excuse me, we have our tracking, and I can push those letters out or push them closer. Um, and I also have kerning that I can do, which is the next one over. So just know that these are here. This is what's increasing the actual words in the line, and this one is increasing the distance between the line here. So that is the leading, and this is your tracking, and kerning if you want to do individual letters. Okay, so hopefully that helps. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.